Hi, in this video, I will show you how to fix Steam login issues when the password is correct. As you try to enter your details, it may say it is incorrect. Here, make sure you enter your username, not your email. Try that first. Do not enter your email. That's what will cause most of the errors at times. But you can try these other solutions if it's not the issue. The thing you can try is to correct your time. Go onto your Windows icon, go onto settings, then go on here, it says time and date, and then you go under date and time. Under here, set time zone automatically, then set this as well on, and then you make sure you sync. And then try again to see if it still works. And if you're still having issues, you can then try this. Go onto your Windows Defender, go on your Windows icon, type in Windows Defender. Once this is opened, open it. Then go under Allow an app. Here, make sure you search for Steam. Once you locate Steam, make sure that the check marks are all turned on private and on public. If you cannot find Steam, just go and change settings and then go allow another app, and then you have to locate where the Steam application is installed in. Try that and see if it still works, and you're done.